What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today we're going to proceed off where we left off from yesterday. Okay. Yesterday, last video, we talked about greetings, which are hello, good morning, how are you, greeting people, and personal information, along with verb to be. Okay, what was verb to be? Am, is, are. Verb to be is am, is, are, right? Okay, so personal information are things such as phone number, your address, your age, your city, your email. Okay, things that you would not be completely happy with people having. Okay, so we want to keep things like that private to ourselves. Okay, we don't want a lot of people to know our information. Okay, and adjectives. What are adjectives? I, you, he, she, it, we, they, my, he, his, hers, ours, yours. Okay, all these are possessive adjectives. Okay, all right, we are going to start here. We are going to start here on the practice with am, is, and are. What are those again? Am, is, are. They are adjective. That is verb to be. Those are a part of verb to be. Okay. Complete the sentences with the verb to be. Where you from? Where are you from? You from London. Are you from London? Yes, I am. How old are you? I am 15. Your sister's married. Okay, sisters. Sisters. Okay, I think now would be a good time to explain. Am is singular, only followed by the word I. You only use am whenever it's followed by the word I. All right, only I. Is singular. Is singular. Are is plural. Are is plural. Okay, so in this situation, your sister's married. No, they. We have to make a contraction of some kind. What kind of contraction are we going to make? It depends on this first word, okay? If it is, we're going to use isn't. If it's aren't, we're going to use aren't, okay? So, which one is it? Married. Your sister's married. Are your sisters married? No, they aren't. Aren't. Contraction for are not. A contraction for are not. I like you. You are my friend. All right. You are my friend. Okay, let's jump over here to the contractions that we're going to use. We're going to create contractions here. Well, they did a contraction here, okay? Let's just go on and see how it's going to do, okay? I haven't went through this yet. Make true sentences about you with the verb to be. We, okay? We meaning plural, okay? So we have to use aren't. We aren't in class. We aren't in a cafe. We're in our home. It isn't Monday. It is Wednesday. It isn't Monday. It's Wednesday. My teacher's name is Richard. Isn't, no problem, but you have to make a contraction if it isn't Richard, okay? If it is not right, you have to use a contraction, guys, okay? You have to use a contraction. What did I say about I? What verb to be do we use followed by the letter I? The only one we use, that's right, am. We use am when we talk about I. I am married. My grandmother, not grandmothers, my grandmother is 75 years old. Okay, does everyone understand verb to be? Let's go down. All right, now look at the photos of London. What can you see? What other famous places do you know in London? Work with the partner, complete the sentences with suitable adjectives from the box. Okay, all of these here words are adjectives, okay? All of them are adjectives. Let's do this together. London, okay, I want to explain a and an before we go any further. We have a and an here. A is for used with consonant words beginning with consonants following the letter A. Okay, so we can say there are a lot of people in New York City. We can say an orange is tasty. We use an followed by words that begin with vowels. Words that begin with vowels, okay? Everyone know what a vowel is? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so this here, London, one city, we're talking about one city. London is a big city, or we can say London is an expensive city or a nice city. Okay. So we're going to use London is a big city. The people are or aren't nice, okay, friendly, whatever you want to use. The people are or the people aren't friendly. The weather is cold, isn't nice, isn't beautiful. The weather is, in my opinion, the weather is beautiful. All right. English is a big language. English is English is an easy language. English is an interesting language, okay? There's so many different ways you can write these sentences, guys. No wrong answer. Grammar, okay? Grammar could be wrong, okay? So let's keep going. All this is still covering verb to be and contractions, guys. Okay, so we're going to skip a little bit. All right. I want to introduce you guys opposite adjectives. Opposite adjectives. White, black, cheap, new, new, old, big, small, etc., guys. There's many different adjectives that are opposite from one another. Okay, so a good student, a bad teacher, a big city, a small town, a hot day, cold weather, horrible coffee, a good meal, a cheap cafe, an expensive restaurant, an old man, a young girl, a slow bus, a fast car, an easy exercise, hard homework. All right. So more verb to be. More verb to be. We're going to skip this, guys. We've done covered a lot of this, okay? All right. Here, we are talking about the opposites in the family, how you greet, how you speak, or how you talk to each person, what they are referenced to, what are their names, okay? Mother and father, husband, wife, son, daughter, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay. Oops. All right. My mother's father is my grandfather. My father's mother is my grandmother. My mother's sister is my aunt. My aunt's husband is my uncle. My sister's son is my nephew. Excuse me, guys. My brother's daughter is my niece. Okay? Use the words to connect sentences 7, 8, and 9. Okay? So we have cousins, children, and parents. What is the difference between children and child? Child is one. Children is plural. More than one. 7. Your mother and father are my. Your mother and father are your parents. Your son and daughter are your children. Your aunt's children are your cousins. Okay? Now, any questions about this, guys? If you have any questions, please ask me the question down below in the comments below. Okay, guys? I want to keep everyone a fresh understanding of what's going on. I want to make sure everyone understands thoroughly about what's happening right now. Okay, so if you have any questions, please link the questions down below. And if I have any mistakes, guys, please Bear with me, first time doing online videos. Usually always in the classroom. All right. So number one, everyday conversations. All right. This is a great thing to look at. It's a great thing to start with. All right. So we are going to take one word here and we are going to greet someone, and then they're going to greet us back. Hi, Miss Brown. How are you? This is all for one person, okay? This is going to be all for one person. This is all going to be for the second person, and it's going to come back, and it's going to end with you, okay? So I'm going to use it, okay? I'll do this. Good morning, Pete. How are you? Oh, not bad, thank you. And you? Not bad, thanks. See, just little conversation, little conversation. A greeting doesn't have to be very long. It's very simple, very short, very sweet. All right, we got to hurry up, guys. We got to try to get through this real quick. Now we're going to only do one of these pictures because I don't want to take up too much time and make this video too long. All right. A, bye, Mom. It's time for school. Goodbye, darling. Have later or have a good day? Have a good day. Thanks. See you later. Good morning. Good morning. Can I have a cup of espresso, please? Yes, of course. Anything else? No, thank you. Good afternoon. Can I help you? No, thank you. We're just looking. That's okay. No problem. How many people go into a supermarket or go into a retail store just to look? How many of you guys go in a supermarket just to look? I do. My wife does. All right. My family does. We love to just go around and shop. Even, it helps with exercise. It helps losing weight. Okay. So I want to stop here, guys, because tomorrow, next video, we are going to continue and we are going to start a new chapter. All right. But I want to make sure everyone, please like the video, subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so you will be updated when I post a new video. All right. Thank you guys so much for everything you're doing here. I really appreciate your dedication in watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys again very soon. All right. Have a great day, guys.